Check this out. My first time pressure canning chanterelles. So these were white chanterelles. I cleaned them, sliced them up, and then what I did was I boiled them for about 5 minutes in a pot, and then I took them and put them into these jars, which I had already put about a clove of garlic in each, chopped up. You can see it there at the bottom, the white chunks, and about a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apparently that's supposed to help maintain the coloration. We shall see. And you put it in the pressure canner. What you do is, this jar is a little empty, I ran out. So you want to put the mushrooms so you have 1 inch of head space, and then you fill with boiling water up to the top so you have still 1 inch of head space. The mushrooms will float up a little bit. Put the lid on top, and then pop them into your pressure canner, which you've put some water in and some vinegar. And then put a 10-pound pressure weight on it, and I pressure can them for 45 minutes. And now it's completed and depressurized per the protocol. And now this is what the jars look like out of the pressure canner. They're just cookie away. I think they look pretty good. I hope they taste good and the texture is still good. This is my first time ever pressure canning chanterelles or mushrooms of any kind. I know online they'll tell you that it's not recommended, most likely because there isn't any research on it. But a lot of people do it online, and it's probably perfectly safe because you can can any other kind of mushrooms. And if you know how to identify your mushrooms, and chanterelles are quite easy, then you shouldn't have to deal with any poisoning either. Okay, so that's how I did it. Next time I'll probably show you a more in-depth video if you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you guys.